Here are 8 steps to easily change your car's oil filter by yourself. Gather the necessary supplies. You'll need a new oil filter, a wrench, a drain pan, clean rags, or paper towels. Locate the oil filter and drain plug. Drain the oil. Remove the oil drain plug with a wrench and allow the oil to drain completely. Once the oil has drained, you can reinstall the drain plug. Remove the old filter. Using a wrench, loosen and remove the old filter. Make sure the old gasket is removed along with the filter. Installing a new oil filter. Apply a small amount of oil to the rubber gasket on the new oil filter and then screw it onto the engine by hand. Tighten the filter using a wrench, being careful not to over tighten it. If you are using FRAM oil filters, this step will be much easier thanks to their non-slip textured grip. It provides a secure grip that makes both installation and removal a breeze. Refill the engine with oil. Using a funnel, refill the engine with the recommended amount of oil. Check the oil level with a dipstick and add more if necessary. Start the engine. Start the engine and let it run for a few minutes, checking for any leaks around the oil filter or the drain plug. Dispose of old oil and filter. Be sure to dispose of the old oil and filter properly, as they can be harmful to the environment. Most auto parts stores and some service stations offer oil recycling programs.